Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we would learn the risk reversal option strategy, which is usually established at a low cost or zero cost. It is also the most common way to take a position that is designed to profit from the implied volatility skew of an underlying. So, what is risk reversal option strategy? Risk reversal option strategy involves buying a call and selling a put, or selling a call and buying a put. Both options are written on the same underlying and both have the same delta and expiration date. Risk reversal refers to the difference between the implied volatility of these options. If the implied volatility of a put option is large, it means market participants are in panic mode and fear that the market is overpriced and will decline. Skew exists when market participants pursue more risk to the downside than the upside. Skew measures the difference between the implied volatilities of a call and a put with the same delta. Conversely, if the implied volatility of a call option is large, this indicates that the market will go up in the near future. Reverse skew exists when market participants pursue more risk to the upside than the downside. Long risk reversal versus short risk reversal. A long risk reversal, also known as a long combo, is a combination of two positions, a long out of the money call and a short out of the money put. It is initiated when you are bullish on the underlying asset. Its payoff graph is similar to a long stock or futures payoff graph. The strategy can be set up for either a credit or a debit. It has both unlimited risk and unlimited reward. The advantage is you can mimic a long stock or futures position with almost zero capital investment. Conversely, a short risk reversal, also known as a short combo, is a combination of two positions, a long out of the money put and a short out of the money call. It is initiated when you are bearish on the underlying asset. Its payoff graph is similar to a short stock or futures payoff graph. A long risk reversal should be initiated when the underlying is at an obvious long-term support zone. Conversely, a short risk reversal should be initiated when the underlying is at an obvious long-term resistance zone. Let's look at an example to understand the strategy better. Nifty is at 10,750 on July 7th, 2020. A long risk reversal option strategy can then be initiated as follows. Buy one lot of Nifty 9th July expiry 10,900 call at 24.15. Sell one lot of Nifty 9th July expiry 10,550 call at 24.95. Note that both the options have a delta of zero point 0.2. The margin required for the above setup is about rupees 1.22 lakh and the capital required is about rupees 1.24 lakh. Enter the buy option trades first to get the maximum benefit of the new margin rules. The probability of profit at expiry is about 30%. Capital is defined as the amount of free cash required in your account to enter this trade, while margin is defined as the amount of free cash required in your account to maintain this trade once you enter it. Now let's look at some calculations. As discussed earlier, the maximum profit at expiry and maximum loss at expiry are unlimited in this strategy. The break-even point is lower strike price minus net credit, which comes to about 10,549.2. Now let's look at the risk graph of the long risk reversal option strategy. From the risk graph, it is evident that The strategy has both unlimited risk and unlimited reward. The break-even point is below at the money at 10,549.2 as it has been initiated for a net credit of zero point 0.8. The upper inflection point is the strike price of the call, which is 10,900, and the lower inflection point is the strike price of the put, which is 10,550. Some takeaways. Risk reversal is a low cost or zero cost way to initiate a directional bet or to double down on a directional bet. If the underlying price is trading between the strike prices at the time of expiry, then both options would expire worthless. And you will realize a small loss if the risk reversal was done at a net debit, and a small profit if the risk reversal was done at a net credit. A risk reversal takes advantage of the volatility skew, that is, the difference between the implied volatilities of an out of the money call option and an out of the money put option with the same delta. The biggest disadvantage is the high margin requirement, as it involves selling a naked option. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.